Welcome back to Primetime Sports Thursday. Some more football now as Reggae Boys captain and the Philadelphia Union goalkeeper Andre Blake has welcomed the return of countryman Corey Burke to the Union squad for the rest of the Major League Soccer season. Burke received his visa and work permit to enter the United States earlier this week and left the island on Tuesday for Pennsylvania. The 28-year-old striker had challenges renewing his visa last year, and his club, Philadelphia Union, subsequently loaned him out to Portmore United and SKN St. Pölten in Austria. Blake says Burke will be key in the postseason.
He was doing really well when he was in the league, so hopefully he can come back in and pick up where he left off, so it's definitely going to be a great addition, especially for us going down the home stretch, and going into the playoffs. So we're looking forward to having him back, and hopefully he's as sharp as can be given the circumstances, and that he can come in and really contribute in a big way. So I'm very happy for him, happy for the team, and definitely looking forward to it.
Burke's November.